with another video, and today I'm going to be cooking some sockeye salmon and some shrimps. And the ingredients I'm going to be using is some blackened seasoning that I made, butter, and olive oil. And so, I mean, this is all the seasoning I'm going to use. So I'm just going to coat the salmon and the shrimp with it. You're going to put a lot on it though, so that you get that blackened. Turn it over and do the same. And I did clean my salmon. Got the fish scales all off. I did my shrimp. I'm gonna take this over to the stove. You're gonna add some oil, olive oil to the pot. You don't want a lot though. Just enough to cover the bottom. And you want your heat on medium high. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter to it. So I'm just gonna coat my shrimps up. See how it's looking. Mix it real good. Make sure all the seasoning is on them. I feel like my butter burning. And then I'm going to take it and dump it in there. You're going to let them cook until they turn pink and flip them over. I'm going to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. 2 minutes been enough, so I'm getting ready to flip them. I'm just going to let them cook another 2 to 3 minutes and that'll be ready. That's it. Okay. So my shrimps are done. Now I'm going to cook my salmon. Skin side down first. In the same pan I cooked my shrimps in. And let it cook for about 4 minutes on each side. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. So I'm ready to flip it over. And don't think it's burnt, it's just the seasoning. I'm going to cook it on about 4 minutes on this side right here. It should be ready. After that, I'll come back and let you see it. Okay, so it's been a total of 8 minutes. My salmon is ready. Taking it out the pot, the pan. So there you go, my salmon. Ooh, that do look good. And my shrimps. Let me put them on the side. And I'm going to fix a plate with the Brussels sprout and my mock potato salad and show you how it looks. Okay, so there you have it. My keto dinner. My keto potato salad, shrimp and salmon, and Brussels sprout. And let's not forget to squeeze some lemon on top of that. And as always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.